Hello everyone, today we've got this big drive for repair. It's got a ground fault and it's a 250 horsepower if I'm not mistaken, and we'll jump to repair it. Here's the sticker. Probably it has a power section issue, most likely. I skipped a few steps, but here is basically the internals of the drive. Here we have the fans in here like that, but there's just a couple of screws, like 1, 2, 3 screws for the fans. You can remove the fans. Those are the connected power supply to the fans in here. Okay, now you remove the main board, which has 2 screws in here, a screw in here, and screw in here, and screw down there through this hole though. And then you'll be able to disconnecting the connectors in here. You'll be able to pull up the board. Okay, the driver board have a screw all around. You unscrew all of them, undo all of the screws, and then you do the driver board. And now you get to the IGBTs and the capacitors and the filtering transformer in there. We are going to replace all 3 of the IGBT, so let's go ahead. Okay, we remove the standoffs, the capacitors, the 4 nuts over there. So now we should be able to pull the screws holding the capacitors board in here, and then we should be able to pull it out. Okay, we are ready to pull the IGBTs. We undo all the screws, so let's pull them out. Even though they look good, they have a leak between one and another transistors. Inside is two transistors only, like here and here, and they have a leak, and we've got a ground fault. We're going to replace them all because of the balancing issue. They should be from the same lot, so they'll be balanced. Okay, now we'll clean the space. Some alcohol. Since it's cleared, we cleaned as much as we could. Now we've got the new prepared with the thermal compound in here, and new power modules. Set the drill to the minimum torque. we've got the IGBT on their own place. Now we're putting everything back together. Due to major issue in the driver board on the original one with the traces underneath in here, because of the IGBTs, we swapping the driver board as well. Now we'll install the control section. Okay, we're good now. Let's do the last fast check for the shorts or something, just in case, and we'll power it up. Okay, I guess we're good to go. See how it powered up? There is no more fault there, ground fault. And now we are going to the room where we do have a big motor with a big power supply. Status is blinking okay. It's not red anymore. So we'll go to that room and connect the motor, connect the huge power supply. We'll see what's happening, if it will run the motor. Okay guys, we got our motor here. Motor at the drive. Everything is connected in here to the power supply for 80 volts. And now we are powering it up. Okay, now we go like here. Switching to manual. And then we're good to go. Fingers crossed. Yikes! It works. Spinning up. The speed is 30 Hertz. We can monitor here everything. Amperage, DC bus voltage is a little lower because the transformer is pushing 460 volts, not 480, that's why. Now let's increase the oh, it's 50 hertz, so it's the maximum speed though. Yikes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'll ever have a drive like that for repair, keep in touch, get in touch with us, with somebody from Flexa Systems. You can go on the website upstairs in here. You can click on the description and get in touch with us. We'll offer you the best services at the best prices. We'll do the component level repair of everything inside of those drives. Not only this particular one, but any of the Allen Bradley equipment, and not only VFDs, PLCs, HMIs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.